A Cimech boiler, a type of industrial boiler used to generate steam or hot water. Boiler in general work by heating water under pressure. This causes the water to reach temperature higher than its normal boiling point, eventually producing steam. This steam or hot water is then used for various industrial processes. A boiler control panel is a device that manages and monitors the operation of boiler system, ensures safe and efficient heating and steam generation. The function of a boiler control panel. The control panel manages the amount of fuel and air entering the boiler furnace, ensuring optimal combustion for efficiency. The control panel includes a safe ignition system for starting the boiler. The control panel monitors and maintains consistent water level in the boiler, preventing issues like dry firing or overflow. It controls pressure and temperature within the boiler, keeping them within a safe operating limits and preventing potential dangerous situations. Next, we have a boiler burner. It's a crucial component that mixes fuel with air, ignite the mixture and provide heat needed to convert water into steam or heat water for a various application. The function of a boiler burner. The burner is responsible for delivering the correct amount of fuel and air to the combustion chamber. It ensures the fuel and air are properly mixed and ignited to create a stable flame. The burner regulates the fuel-air ratio and flame intensity to achieve the desired level of heat output. And a flame scanner in a boiler is a crucial safety device that detects the presence and status of flame within the combustion chamber. The function of flame scanner. The scanner uses sensor to detect the unique radiation emitted by a flame. It verifies that the burner is producing a flame and that the flame is stable. If the scanner detects the flame is absent or unstable, it sends a signal to a burner control system. The signal initiates a shutdown of a fuel supply, preventing unburned fuel from accumulating in a combustion chamber. By preventing accumulation of unburned fuel, the flame scanner helps prevent potential explosions. Next, a boiler stack temperature gauge. Measure the temperature of the flue gas existing in the boiler. The function of a boiler stack temperature gauge. Boiler stack temperature gauge is to monitor the temperature of exhaust gases leaving the boiler. This gauge helps monitor the boiler efficiency and identify potential issues like soot or scale buildup or problems with the burner or heat transfer. Next, we have the pressure gauge. Measure the pressure of the water in the boiler and heating system. The function of a pressure gauge. The gauge displays the pressure of the water or steam within the boiler, allowing operator to track its performance and ensure it operates within the safe limit. A pressure gauge helps prevent dangerous situations by indicating when the pressure is too high or too low. If the pressure gets too high, it can trigger safety devices such as pressure relief valve to release excess pressure. Next, we have the boiler pressure controller. It's a device that monitors and regulates the steam pressure within the boiler system. The function of boiler pressure controller. Boiler pressure controllers regulate and maintain the desired pressure level within a boiler, ensuring safe and efficient operation. They monitor steam pressure and adjust the burner output accordingly. They serve as a safety device, shutting down the burner if the pressure exceeds the predetermined limit to prevent overpressure.
Water level indicators, like sight glasses or other sensors, provide a visual or electrical indication of the water level within the boiler, ensuring safe and efficient operation. These indicators are crucial for monitoring water level and preventing dangerous conditions like low water level, which can damage the boiler, or high water level, which can reduce steam quality and damage downstream equipment. Water column is a reservoir connected to the boiler's drum, used to dump fluctuation in water level and provide a steady visual reading of the water level in the gauge glass. It also helps preventing sediment build-up in the glass connection. Low water cutoff in a boiler is a safety device that shuts off the burner if the water level drops below a safe point. This prevents the boiler from overheating or dry firing, which can damage the boiler and cause safety hazard.
Feed check valve. It's a type of non-return valve, also called a one-way valve, installed in the feed water line leading into the boiler. It is typically located between the feed pump and the boiler drum. So for its functions, Number 1, controls feed water flow. It allows feed water to enter the boiler from the feed pump. Number 2, prevents backflow. It stops boiler water or steam from flowing back into the feed line if the feed pump stops or fails. Number 3, maintains pressure. It helps maintain pressure integrity of the boiler by preventing reverse flow, which could cause pressures or damage equipment. Handle. A handle is a small removable cover plate opening on a boiler shell, header or drum. It's big enough to allow a hand or arm to pass through, but not a full person like a manhole. It's typically oval or circular and secured tightly with a over and gasket to withstand pressure and temperature. For its function, number 1, inspection access. Allows internal inspection of the boiler components such as tubes, headers, and internal surface. Number 2, maintenance. Provides access for cleaning, scale removal or checking for corrosion and damage inside the boiler. Number 3, repairs. Enables minor repairs or parts replacement without dismantling large section of the boiler. Number 4, safety and compliance. Ensure that routine inspection and maintenance can be performed easily, which is essential for boiler safety, certification, and longevity. Safety valve. A safety valve, also called a relief valve, is a pressure release device mounted on the boiler drum, superheater, or piping. It's designed to automatically open when internal pressure exceeds a preset limit and close once normal conditions are restored. It is typically consists of a spring-loaded mechanism calibrated to a specific pressure. For its function, the number 1, overpressure protection. Prevents boiler pressure from rising beyond safe limits, avoiding explosion or equipment failure. Number 2, automatic operation. Opens automatically when pressure exceeds the set points and resets when pressure returns to safe levels. Number 3, ensures safety compliance. Meets safety codes and standards. Example given, ASME boiler code. Number 4, protects equipment and personnel. Ensure the safe operation of the boiler, protecting both the machinery and the people operating it. Steam stop valve. The steam stop valve is a manually operated valve fitted at the highest point of the boiler, usually on the steam drum. It acts as a final exit point for the steam, leaving the boiler and entering the main steam line that supplies turbines, process, equipment, or heating system. For its function, number 1, controls steam flow. Regulates the flow of the steam from the boiler to the steam header or external system. Number 2, isolates the boiler. Allows the boiler to be cut off from the system for maintenance, inspection, or during shutdown. Number 3, pressure management. Helps manage pressure by controlling the release of steam based on demand. Number 4, safety role. In emergencies, it can be closed to stop steam flow and protect downstream equipment. Blow-off valve. A blow-off valve, also called a blow-down valve, is a special type of valve installed at the lowest point of the boiler, usually on the mud drum or bottom of the shell. It's designed to release water, sludge, and sediment that accumulate during operation. For its function, number 1, removes sediments and sludge. Clear out impurities like scale, sludge, and sediments that settled at the bottom of the boiler, preventing damage and improving efficiency. Number 2, control TDS, stand for total dissolved solids. Helps regulate water quality by reducing dissolved solids, which can affect steam, purity, and cause foaming or carryover. Number 3, prepares for inspection or maintenance. Empties the boiler partially or completely during maintenance or shutdown. Number 4, protects equipments, prevents overheating, corrosion, and damage to the boiler tubes and surface by removing contaminants. Ball valve. A ball valve is a quarter-turn valve that uses a spherical disc ball with a hole bore through a middle to control flow. When the handle is turned 90 degrees, the ball rotates to either allow or block flow. Ball valves are known for their simple design, quick operation, and tight sealing. For its function, number 1, quick shut off, allows for fast on or off control of water condensate or auxiliary steam line. Number 2, tight seal, provides a leak-tight shut-off even after long periods of disuse. Number 3. Low maintenance. Durable with minimal wear due to simple rotation movement. Number 4. Versatile. Use suitable for drain valves, chemical dosing lines, blowdown sampling, or auxiliary connection in boiler systems.
Heat water tank. The tanks act as equilibrium tanks for receiving water from upstream equipment and supplying water to downstream equipment or other equipment in the plant. The function of this is remove dissolved gases from boiler feed water and condition it by heating it to 105 degrees Celsius. A side glass or water gauge is a type of level sensor, a transparent tube through which the operator of a tank or boiler can observe the level of liquid contained within. Feed pump, a centrifugal pump that delivers high-pressure water to a steam boiler, ensuring a constant supply to maintain steam generation. The function of this is to pump feed water from a feed water tank to the boiler drum, replacing the steam produced and maintaining water levels. A pressure gauge on a pump is used for monitoring and maintaining optimal performance. A section of a water supply system, likely part of a water storage tank setup, includes pipes, a valve, a flange, and what appears to be a strainer or filter. Function: this system is designed to control and filter water flow within a storage tank setup.
Fuel tank serve as a storage for fuel, typically oil or gas, that is needed to heat the water or steam in the boiler. Fuel tank level indicator. As you can see, it is a transparent tube directly connected to the tank, allowing for visual inspection of the fuel level. These are simple and inexpensive but only suitable for smaller tanks and offer limited precision. This fuel pipe is responsible for transporting fuel from the storage tank to the burner, where it will be ignited and used to generate heat. This gate valve, generally used to completely shut off fluid flow, or in the fully open position, provide full flow in a pipeline. A check valve, or also known as a non-return valve or one-way valve. It allows the fuel to flow in only one direction. Air vent valve. An air vent valve is a device that removes trapped air from the system, preventing issues like reduced heating efficiency, corrosion, and noisy operation.